Welcome to Party Tutorial. In this occasion, I would like to show you how to increase your work by using 5 tricks. Please stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's check it out. Okay, the first trick is how to input data or add message in cell like this. In the cell, you will see that there are writing use number 10 until 100. So, how to do this? Okay, please let me show you. For example, you want to add message in the cell. You can click the cell that you want, for example 95 like this. Click cell 95 and click data. Click this data validation, then data validation. In tab input message, you can type a title, or maybe you can skip title. You just type input message, maybe like what you see before. Please type input 10 until 100. I'm sorry, input 10 until 100. So if we click cells 95, there are input 10 until 1. Okay, the second trick I will show you. We want to type this cell with number 7 maybe. So what will happen? Let me see. Oh, this value doesn't match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. Retry. 7 8 maybe. Oh, so how to do this? Okay, let me show you. For example, 85, click 85, click cells that you want it. Then data validation, and then setting, allow any value, click real number, then minimum 10, maximum 100. Oh, sorry, 100. Okay. If we type, for example, with ABC, maybe ABC, so I think you will know what will happen. No, this value doesn't match the data validation. So we are forced to type real number 10 until 100. The next trick is how to make list of score in center. Usually we plug this text from left to right according to the table, and then click merge and center like this. Now I want to show you how to make a center without merging and centering. Okay, let me show you. The first one is you click the text and then you block from left to the right and then click alignment. Okay, alignment, not merge and center, alignment. In tab horizontal, you click this tab, you choose center across selection and then click OK. Wow, the position in the center but without merging. I think you know what I mean. The list of score, the position is in P1, not merge. Okay, you got it? Okay, let's the next tip. Okay, the next trick is how to make the header or the title of the table is appear in different pages. Okay, for example, like this, you want to print this, and clicks the next page or the second page, you will not find the header. So let me show you how to put the header or the title in every pages. The first one is you must block the title. Then after that you click page layout, then print tiles and click rows to repeat at top. Okay, enter, click OK. Okay, let's see, print and preview. This is the first page and this is the second page. Always there are list of score, number, name, score, average in every page, but in the real there is no list of score. But if we print, list of scores appear in every pages. Okay, the last tips is how to print the selected area. Okay, I want to show you the toolbar is very helpful and very good. Print area. How to use print area? If you want to selected area, you must print area, because this is very powerful and I think it makes your works more effectively. For example, we don't want to print all, but we just want part of this. For example, we want to print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first one you must do is you have to click the area like this, the block, you block, and then click print area, set print area, and then click print preview. Let me first so that you print the area that you want. You don't have to print all of your work. Okay, do you got it? Thank you very much for your attention. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.